The third way that you can build trust at the front desk to positively affect your patient care is ensuring that your front desk communication is clear and helpful to the patient. So what's a way the front desk can build up trust and build a relationship with the patient before they ever show up? Don't rely on them to worry about the medical stuff. Have the front desk staff worry about, is the patient easily finding our office? So if you are already using text messaging, and if you're not, you should start using two-way text messaging, but a great tool to use to build up trust is to simply send a picture of what your office looks like from the outside to every new patient. Remember, you've pulled in the parking lot of your place 1,500 times or more. They pulled in for the first time. If you have a difficult hallway or an elevator they have to use, or if there's a better place to park, send a picture of it and give them those instructions. We're trying to build that relationship with them before they ever set foot in the office. But the research is clear. If we do that, we're going to see better outcomes on the back end. So sending a picture of the outside of your building and telling that person, use this door, or use these stairs, or don't park in these spots, is so helpful for the person when it's their first time. Imagine, I would challenge you, imagine if you were trying to ensure that your grandmother made it to her medical appointment. How much easier would it be if you just sent her a quick picture of what the building looks like? So that's a great way the front desk staff can help build that relationship so you get better outcomes on the back end. All right?